I'm sure you've heard the news. Ireland's got some of the most stunning spots on Earth. Discover the cliffs of Moher, where the ocean meets sky in a symphony of waves. Next, lose yourself in the mystical beauty of the Giant's Causeway, with its perfectly hexagonal rocks. For a splash of color, don't miss the charming village of Kinsale. It's like stepping into a postcard. And for history buffs, the Rock of Cashel offers a journey back in time with its ancient ruins. Finally, wrap it up with a stroll through the serene Glendalough Valley, where nature's tranquility will steal your heart. Pack your bags, travel enthusiasts. Ireland's hidden gems are calling your name.